Hello everyone, welcome back to our English online class. In my previous class, I have taught you vowel or sound words. I hope everyone have learned it. Did you finish your homework, children? Very good. Today I will teach you some new vowel or sound words. Open your notebook. First upon mention the date 23/10/2021. 23 October 2021. CW vowel or sound words. First we will revise the words God, log and hot. Spelling of God G-O-D, God. God means Bhagavan. L.O.G, log. Log means lakdi. H-O-T, hot. Hot means garam. Then spelling of God, G-O-D, God. Spelling of log, L-O-G, log. Spelling of hot, H-O-T, hot. Then we will revise the spelling of God, G O D, God. G O D, God. L O G, log. L O G, log. H O T, hot. H O T, hot. Now I will teach you new three words vowel or sound. Now three vowel or sound words. V-O-X, box. V-O-X, box. Box means lomdi. Sorry, box means dibba. Box means dibba. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. Fox means lomdi. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. Book means kitab. Now we will learn how to write the spelling of box, fox and book. All of you keep your pencil on the third line. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. It has three letters. First letter B, second letter O, third letter X. Box means डिब्बा. पहले आपको लेटर बी लिखना है. बी के साथ जोड़ के लेटर ओ के साथ जोड़ के लास्ट लेटर एक्स, B-O-X, box. The next word, fox. Spelling of fox, F-O-X, fox. There is one difference. Should be these two words. ये two letters में आपको क्या था, थोड़ा letters का difference है. Only first letter change. Box, then first letter we have to write B. Then fox, first letter we have to write F. Box and fox. Then spelling of fox, F-O-X, fox. F-O Fox means lomadi. First letter F, second letter O, last letter X. Fox and box, there is only one letter difference in both words. ये दोनों words में से only one letter का difference है. Box first letter B, fox first letter F. Then next one, book. Book means kitab. Spelling of book, B-O-O-K, book. It has 4 letters. First letter B, then second and third 2 times write letter O together, then last letter K. Book. Book means kitab. B-O-O-K, book. Book means kitab. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. In these words we have to use vowel O. ये पूरा words में हम लोगों कौन सी vowel use किया है? Which vowel we will use? Vowel O. G-O-D, God. G-O-D, God. God means Bhagavan. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. Log means lakdi. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Hot means garam. B-O-X, box. Box means dibba. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. Fox means lomadi. F-O-X, fox. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. Book means kitab. Children, you have to do this work in your notebook. This is your today's homework. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.